everyone, welcome to our forum. My name is Eka Hari, and today we are going to discuss a very relevant issue among students, which is social media addiction and its effects. But first, I would like to introduce our panelists for today. Today we have here Mr. Omar. How are you, Mr. Omar?
Yes, thank you for having me here, and I'm good.
We also have Mr. Fikri.
Hello guys, my name is Fikri.
Yes. Do you familiar with social media?
Of course I am.
Oh, what kind of social media you use?
I use TikTok.
Very relate to students today. We also have Mr. Zarif.
Hello.
Hello, Mr. Zarif.
Hi, good morning everyone. My name is Muhammad Zarif Ishaq.
You also familiar with social media?
Of course.
Okay. Can you share what kind of social media you use?
I usually use Threads instead of TikTok because I will get many information there.
Seems like Mr. Zarif is a very up-to-date person. And lastly, we have Mr. Adi. How are you, Mr. Adi?
I'm fine, thank you.
Are you a user of social media too?
Yes, but not often.
Not often, okay. So, today, in digital world, social media has become part of our daily life. However, excessive usage can lead to serious problems such as poor academic performance, mental health issues, and even physical health problems. It will really give problem to students. So the objective of our forum today is to explore the causes, the impacts, and also possible solution to reduce social media addiction among students. So let's begin our discussion. I will ask each of you. Alright, let's start with first panelist. Let's start with Mr. Fikri. Okay. Okay. What are the main causes of social media addiction among students, in your opinion?
For my opinion, I have seen many situations in real life world. There are a few causes that cause students right now are very addicted to social media. First of all, during COVID-19, we are locked down in our home. So the main activity we make playing social media. So students right now they can release that behavior even until now. So another cause that I see is FOMO, which is fear of missing out. This student they doesn't want to always want to update every trend from social media they want to follow, and they even miss their study to follow this social media trend, and it become too addicted and non-stop.
So do you agree that stress is one of the main reasons of addiction?
Yes, I agree that this become too bad for students because it can affect their academic result, their study work, assignment, all of that will become the problem soon.
Alright, that's a good observation. Thank you. So let's now go to Mr. Zarif.
Okay.
Alright. How does social media addiction affect students academically?
So for me, social media addiction has a strong negative impact on academic performance. From research that I got from Science Direct, social media used to lead to lower academic achievement because our students may lose focus while studying. So from my own experience, I see many students open TikTok, Threads, and Instagram while studying, which is it can interrupt their concentration. So there was also a new article that I read mentioning that students today find it harder to focus for long periods due to constant notifications. As a result, students may experience longer grades, poor concentration, and even burnout due to lack of rest. That's it.
So, do you think our social media use is harmful to academic performance?
In my point of view, I think it's not necessary because social media also can be useful and harmful. For an example, it can be used for educational purposes and also create a group discussion. The problem is when the students cannot control their usage.
So, in Mr. Raif's point of view, it's not the social media itself to be blamed, it's the user.
Yes.
Mr. Raif. Yes. So, Mr. Adi,
Yes.
let's talk about mental health. What are the psychological and social effects?
So, social media addiction can seriously affect mental health. According to a journal from the University of Michigan Public Health, excessive social media use is associated with increased their anxiety and depression. From a YouTube documentary I watched, many students said they feel insecure when they compare themselves to others online. In terms of social impact, students may isolate their communication and reduce face-to-face interaction. I interviewed a friend who said he prefers chatting online rather than face-to-face physically, and this has affected their social skill communication.
So, that's for the mental health. What about the physical? Does it affect to our physical body?
Absolutely yes, because according to a medical journal from LWW, excessive screen time can disrupt sleep quality and cause fatigue. There are also many YouTube health videos explaining how blue light from phone be sleep. So from real life, that we know many students often sleep lately and use their phone to watching YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and what else. So it makes they feel worried and tired when studying.
Okay. Good opinion. Thank you, Mr. Adi. And finally, Mr. Lokman, can you tell me what solutions can help reduce social media addiction?
Well, if I be honest, there is several solutions, but the problem is it entirely depends on them. Okay, so firstly, they can manage their time properly by making a time schedule. For example, from 10 to 11 is their own break, like making breakfast or anything. So at around that time, they cannot use social media unless it's emergency. So secondly, they need to join sports, for example, like badminton. So badminton can boost up their mind since it's a constant action in order to win the games. And for thirdly, they need to join an interaction like an interview, just like we did today. So they can boost up their own social in real life. If not, they may or may not will depends on social media just to social interact.
Okay. But do you think the students will actually follow this solution? Because to the student, maybe they might find the solution is a bit boring.
Well, some may follow, some may not, but it entirely depends on their own discipline. If they have their discipline, then they could follow it because it became their own part of habit.
Okay, thank you. So that's the opinion for each of our panelists. So, but before we conclude, I would like to each panelist to give just one short opinion. Is social media addiction a serious issue among students today or not?
Yes, because it affects all their routine daily life and their behavior towards among other students get affected.
Okay, sir.
For me, yes, especially academic performance that student has to maintain.
So for me, yes, because social media effect due to mental health risk.
How about you, Mr. Rahman?
Well, for me, it's also yes, but it can be controlled with proper awareness and discipline.
Alright, thank you. So that's it. To conclude, today we discussed the causes, effects, and solutions of social media addiction among students. We learned that factors such as loneliness, stress, and easy access to social media contribute to this issue. However, the proper self-control, time management, and healthy life choice, students can reduce their dependence on social media. Thank you to all panelists for your insightful opinion, and thank you for everyone to listening. Don't forget to follow our social media, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. Okay, bye-bye.
Hello everyone. For today, I'm gonna make some interview to discuss people's opinion about our topic. With me today, Mr. Fikri, and I'm gonna ask a few questions. Hello. So my first question: what is your opinion about social media addiction that become more serious nowadays?
I think students access social media nowadays because they have too much free time. Social media can be accessed on their phone, PC. So because it can be easily accessible anytime, it will become very addicting to them. Uh, with the comment section, likes, and many others.
Alright, thank you. So I have second question. What is your opinion for students to control their social media usage?
I think it is very important for students to set a daily limit for their social media usage. Let's say they set a 30-minute limit every day. Within that time, they will use the social media. Once that time is up, they can no longer use social media for the day.
Alright, thank you for your opinion. That's all for our interview today about our social media addiction. Thank you.
Thank you.